Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Yu Kitakawa. Code JUR679. Released on March 24, 2026. And it has 130 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her husband boss. The girl husband works at a modeling agency. Apparently, on the day of their photo session, the model got sick. So unfortunately, they don't have any time to look for any model. So to save time, the guy's wife will be a temporary model. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. However, while doing the photo session, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.